So in my last couple of videos, I talked about the 5 filters and the one question: where does the money actually come from? But today we're going to talk about how to actually apply that. So I'm going to take some real life posts from my own feed that I've screenshotted in the past, and I'm going to share those with you, and then I'm going to break them down step by step. It's not going to be emotionally breakdown. It's going to be no opinions. It's just going to be kind of pointing out what I'm seeing and what you should be thinking about when you see these posts in your feed. So it's just going to be logic. So when I show you these posts, it's not about calling out specific people or a specific person or a specific business model. That's not what it's about. And I've blurred out any identifying names or images so that it's like I said, it's not about the person. I'm not mad at the people, but it's about showing you real life examples of what you see in your feeds, and then you get excited and then you're wondering, what is that? Well, how does that actually work? I'm just trying to help you identify the patterns. So because once you learn to recognize those patterns, you'll start seeing it everywhere. So let's see, I've got a couple of posts I've got on the screen here. A couple of example posts. So let's pull up this first one. So this is one, and I'm not saying that anything is bad or good. I'm just giving you examples of what I see. And this is a really great example of deferred credibility, is what I like to call it. But let's break down what this post actually does. So this is about a UGC, which is user-generated content. That's very popular right now. And yes, you can make money as a UGC creator. You can get paid to do videos to promote products, and companies can use those ads. They'll pay you, and then they will use those ads to promote their products or services or whatever it is they're getting you to talk about in those videos. But what caught me with this one was just the fact that they put, "My girl Lisa just got $760 to take 10 pictures of a toothbrush, and you're still telling yourself it's not possible." Well, first, the original poster's name is not Lisa. Her girl is Lisa. We don't know if she really knows Lisa. we don't know anything about Lisa. Lisa could be made up. I mean, it's deferred credibility to get the hook of, wow, somebody made $760. They don't even have to prove they made $760. Someone else made $760, but come over here because I probably got a course I got to sell you. That's why you have to get into the DMs. So you just have to ask yourself, like, what is really going on? First, they're giving credibility not through their own experience, but through somebody else, whether that's in like the group they're in, or maybe they saw it on their feed and it's a friend of theirs. We don't know because they don't answer that. They say, slide into my DMs to get started, which this is probably going to lead to some course or some program of courses that they want you to watch and learn how to do for yourself. So just, think about that. So then you're like, like these ones are my favorite because it's never about, hey, look at what I did. It's, hey, look at what so-and-so did. You can too. Let me sell you the course they used to do it. So just recognize that. Here's another post I want to do, and I have blocked a lot of this out because I don't want to identify the person. But this is, I've seen a lot of investing type offers, and this one says, "It still blows my mind to get paid every single day, even when I'm sleeping," and it cracks me up. People will call this a scam or MLM without looking. This is neither. Like I said, I'm not going to give opinions. You don't have to post. This is the part I want you to pay attention to, though. You don't have to post. You don't have to share. You literally just pay the one-time fee and collect the passive income. But what did this poster just do? They just posted, they just shared it, and now they need to tell other people so that those people get in and they can make money. What's the passive income? They don't tell you what the passive income is. Now, I personally know this is a trading type platform that they are promoting, and I've done some heavy research into these programs, like broke down the comp plan. Yes, it is an MLM, and honestly, it's borderline I don't ever want to call anything truly a scam, because my role is not to tell you things are scams. My role is to show you how to figure these things out and do due diligence on your own so that you can come to that conclusion if that's where it's taking you. So it isn't like I don't want to be one of those people that's just calling everything a scam or telling people to do or not do things. I just want to give you the tools so that you can think to learn how to assess these things on your own. And so this one is definitely an MLM comp plan, which in the next, not the next post, but the next one, I'll show you why. This is not a flex. I'm earning 133 a day, and it's way simpler than you think. Curious? Comment Zoom for the 1 p.m. link. So this is one trying to get you to DM them to get them on a Zoom call to learn what they're doing to make $133 a day. But my question is that $133 into your bank account? Is it $133 just in some dashboard that says you make that and you haven't cashed anything out yet? Is that just telling people to get on a Zoom, and every time I do that, a few people sign up, and that's how I'm making 133? Like, those are the things you have to ask if you're going to take the time to get on a Zoom and learn about these things. These people are posting to social media because they're selling on social media, which means most likely what they're selling is something you're going to have to sell on social media. It's not going to be something you're going to make from the actual program they're talking about. And that's what you want to identify quickly, because then you can ask yourself, do I want to sit on social media and start posting this type of content every day to get people to hopefully DM me and then join my group so that I can make some money? Those are the types of things I want people to start recognizing. So this last one right here, example that I want to show, I'm going to actually prove to you how this whole thing right here is just blah. Okay, so this one says, I am liking what I'm seeing, and this is a screenshot. If you're just listening to me, it says steady growth day by day, and so far I'm finding it hard not to like. This boring, super low risk system makes 77% monthly profits. Here's proof. Day 17. So they're saying they started with $501 on day 1, and on day 17 they're up to $858.68. Now, I've studied, I'm not even going to give the name of the name of the program, it doesn't matter, but I have studied very in-depth all the Zoom calls, the documents, the comp plan. I know more about this company than I care to, but I'm doing it because I want it to be a resource for people to be able to analyze and realize what they're actually getting in. Now, on this sales page, I'm going to show you guys this. This is the calculator their sales page actually provides. So I'm going to show you right here in real life right now how this claim right here is impossible. And this person actually messaged me and said they're making most of their money from trading, not recruiting, which I already knew that was completely, and I'm going to prove that to you right now with math. Because anyone who follows me for any period of time knows I love math. And so this is what we're going to do. The claim is they started here. I'll blow this up so you guys can see it a little better for those who are watching. So $501. This is the calculator that is on their sales page that they tell you to go to calculate what your projections could be earning this. The deal is you get 1.2% daily. She's been in it, 17 days. And I don't know if that's every day a week, but it's 17 trading days is what I'm assuming at 100% reinvest. So we're going to calculate this. And if most of our money is being made from trading, then it should say $858. But let's see what it says. So if we calculate that, projected earnings for 17 days is only $613.63. How much did they say they made? Let's go look. They said they're at $858. So there's over $200 there that isn't accounted for in the earnings. Where do you think that comes from? Recruiting. Getting other people to put in $501, because on the sales page, when you click the thing to go say sign up, it says you need to have, please proceed if you have $500 to invest. No, I'm not trying to be mean, but $500, no offense, is not a super low risk for most people. Most people don't want to spend $500 that they may never see again. That is a car payment. That is grocery bills for the month. I mean, I think the sales pitch of that, like, I'm a little offended that it says super low risk when if you do your due diligence and look into the company, this is pretty high risk in my opinion. But I said I wasn't going to give opinions, even though I have given a few. But that's the kind of thing you want to analyze and you want to look at. And I have DM'd with this person, and I've studied the Zoom call, I studied the sales page, I've done so much research on this that there is no way. If this was so good, no one would have to be promoting it. They would, after a year, be done, put in their money, earn the 1.2%, make their money, and just use their own money. Why do they need other people coming in at $500 in order to make this work? The compensation plan pays them for the MLM style comp plan, not on trades. That's where, and it's very easy to see when you analyze this. So, you know, those are the types of things you really have to think about when these people are selling. And the ones that get me is like no posting, no sharing, but they literally, that is what they are doing because they just had to post to share it with you so that hopefully you DM them and get on their team or in their affiliate or referral, whatever. So this is like the ultimate filter that I'm going to actually do this really quick. I'm going to actually show you what I do with AI as a quick example on one of these. So I have no idea what will come back on something like this, but this is what I do. So let's just say I saw this in my newsfeed, and I would take a screenshot of this, and you can do this with a free ChatGPT. I'm going to actually go over there right now and then show you the results. Okay, so we're over here in ChatGPT. You can do this with the free version. You only get so many per day with the free version, but you can go in here and you can add a photo or a file. What I'm going to do is I screenshotted that post. And now you want to actually ask ChatGPT to, let's see, can you, and I actually have some of these programmed and with resources so the AI is already trained. This is one that won't be trained. It'll just kind of be like, hey, can you analyze this this screenshot and identify where the money is probably coming from. The claim is 1.2% compounded daily earnings, but they went from 500 to 800 in 17 days. So I'm going to put this in here and we'll see what it comes back with. Okay, so here's what the AI said. Let's see if I blow it up a little. No, it won't let me. Okay, so it says this is a great catch, and this is exactly where math is greater than marketing. Let's break this down. What 1.2% daily compounding actually looks like. So if you take the $500 and you do that at 1.2% for, you know, the 17 days, it turns your 500 into 610 after 17 days. And what did our daily calculator say? 613. So right there, AI just told us the exact same thing as their calculator just told us. So where does the other money account from? What they're showing instead is they're claiming they put $501 in. That's the difference, because I told AI 500 and I told the calculator 501. So that was the difference in the few dollars we saw. About 71% increase, not 22%. So 858 in 17 days, the real daily return would need to be closer to 3.2% daily compound. So what does that mean? Even AI is telling you right here that they're showing either inflated results, they're mixing in earnings from other sources, which what is referring, because she's posting every day. Here's day 18, here's day 19. She'll continue to post, and hopefully the more people that see it will DM, be like, what are you doing? And get another person to come in and pay $500 to get into this trading company. And then you can see how AI is breaking this down for us. It's not real trading at all. Like, even AI is kind of identifying, like, that doesn't happen at the same time every day. And that's the thing, this company trades every day at like 1:30 and 7:30. You get your trade signals at those times every single day, no matter what. That is not realistic. I'm just, and I've got some really big breakdowns on this company coming. So where's the money probably coming from? AI, ChatGPT will tell you where it's probably coming from. New members buying in, existing members reinvesting, upsells, tiers, or, she could be putting in more money, but it does say right in her screenshot she put in 501. So we have to go based on that. Abby style bottom line. This is Abby because ChatGPT knows Abby. If it were truly 1.2% daily, the numbers would be boring and predictable. So that is just a simple step. You can take a screenshot. You can ask ChatGPT to analyze the post, identify the red flags, figure out what actually is happening behind the scenes, and this will slow you down enough to make you start thinking about those things. So let's just compare this real quick before I wrap up to a real business. So if I were to post something, which I never would, because it's not my business model. I'm not trying to recruit people to do what I do. But if I said, hey guys, I made $300 today, I can tell you exactly where it came from. I can say, hey, look at my Bing ads. I spent $78 today on Bing ads. Look, I got 3 new customers who bought this product, and this product. Here's the $300 that I made. Here's the costs to fulfill those, and here's my ad spend. And look, I have left over about $100 in profit today, or whatever. That's just a real life example. But what can I do? I can show you the ads that I ran, traffic, the customers that came in, and I can show you what products they bought. That's transparency, and that is structure. And that is exactly that's why, I recommend, if you're going to build a business that sells a service or a product, or even, digital products or prompts, or, you can come up with whatever it is. As long as you're providing value to the end customer, then that is a viable, scalable business. You don't have to rely on people coming in and recruiting to get them to do the same thing you're doing. That is not how real businesses are built. That is why I always say, you don't need to chase opportunities. You need to understand them. Because once you understand how they work, you stop getting pulled in by the hype, the urgency, the emotion of it all. So next time you see a post like this, don't focus on the number you see. Don't focus on how excited the post may seem. Break it down. Take a screenshot of it, step by step. Put that into ChatGPT and simply ask, ChatGPT, can you analyze this image? Tell me if there's red flags. Tell me if you can identify what the person might be promoting. AI could actually probably come back, which is how I found out about a couple of the things that I've actually looked into, what they're actually promoting. AI can identify, here's what they're probably promoting, and then you can go look at those businesses. So, in the next video, I might even take this a little bit further and break down a full sales comp plan to show you exactly how deep it goes and where money comes from in most of these scenarios. So, if you like this video, give me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll have a couple videos probably in each of the corners of my previous ones that you could watch next. Thanks, and we'll see you guys on the next one.